What's up everyone? Thank you so much for coming back for another video. In this video I am going to, well no, not I, not just I, what we are going to do, we are going to go through my whole process of sketching out a piece on paper and pencil. And then I'm going to show you how to go about transferring it into Procreate and put the final touches on it. Let's get to it. Right, so here are the sketches that I have done so far. And I've just been using a pencil and paper. And this is a sketch that I am doing as a t-shirt design that people that live in Broward County and Florida can actually wear and purchase. The whole idea and approach that I've taken towards this design was I was inspired looking at vintage lettering from like the 20s to like the 50s. The way I find this inspiration is looking on Pinterest. And I just really loved how I have this whipping around from the last letter and then this one as well, giving me a good feeling of vintage and baseball. I like this one the best because the script is easy to read, and I'm going to put some 3D on this. And also this one, I feel this one would be good as a sticker. There's some more detail hidden in it, which is probably hard to decipher if you're not the one that actually did it. And another one that I like this one a lot. Let me zoom in so you can see. Hold on, is it? So this is one of the sketches that we are going to proceed with. Hopefully you can see that. And then one of the other ones that we're going to proceed with is this one right here. I love the whole style and the funkiness of that one. That may or may not work as a t-shirt. Let's proceed. Yes, indeed. Whew, I need to take a little break. I had to get up and walk around because whenever I'm working on pieces for so long, I'll be sitting down and start getting a little worn out. So therefore, I'll start tensing up. Let me walk around the house a bit. Goodness, who is this? Filming a video! Oh, my lovely sister. And it is so dark in here. Dun da da da. Ghosts go ghost hunting. Anybody out there? Okay. That was a good little walk. But we have to get back to work and complete what we had started. Let's do this. Alexa, how many people live in Broward County?
Broward County, Florida's resident is Evan Dooley.
Alexa, how many people live in Broward County, Florida?
As of 2017, the population of Broward County, Florida is 1.94 million.
Whew. Guess maybe that pen was not a good idea to use. I don't like how that turned out. So we're going to use a different one. And let me speed up this process. That's the whole thing. It is experimentation.
Alright, we are almost finished with the second shirt design. A little too chunky. Ooh, okay, I'm getting a little tired now. We are almost done though.
Alright, so we had just finished filming the whole process of how I would go about creating a t-shirt design using Procreate. This is just would be roughs before I would take it into Illustrator and vectorize everything. And before I would take it into Illustrator and vectorize everything and have it nice and smooth. I'll put the t-shirts up on the screen. This is the first one. And let me know what you thought about it. And here is the second one. Which one do you prefer? Which one do you like better? And with that said, thank you so much for watching this video. As always, I appreciate it. And let me know what you'd like to see more of. And I'll catch you later. Okay, that's too close.